Hi everyone, today we are going to repair a Fluke 101 multimeter. We can see that both sides of the motherboard are extensively corroded by battery leakage. Let's start the repair process. Okay, the multimeter is now repaired. Let's test it. It powers on normally, and the measurement function switch normally, and the buttons works correctly. Next, let's test the accuracy. Okay, let's input a 3 volt DC voltage, and it seems like the accuracy has some problem. We need to calibrate it. Here is the procedure to calibrate Fluke 101. First, we need to input a 4.5 DC voltage. Then we short the calibration point on the PCB with tweezers to into calibration mode. The lightning symbol on the screen indicates the calibration mode. At this point, we press the hold button to complete the calibration. After shutting down and reboot the meter, we can see that the accuracy is back to normal. So the repair is now complete. Thank you for watching.